All right, so today we are going to focus on part 7, which is the Naihanchi Sandan kata. So Naihanchi Sandan is the third kata of the Naihanchi series. All right, so I'm gonna just jump right in. I'm gonna do the first portion slow, followed by medium pace, and then fast pace, so you can follow along with the kata. Okay. All right, this is Naihanchi Sandan, slow version. Yoi, right foot up, and 1. And then follow 1, 2, back fist, and then from here, back, punch with left hand on top, and then pull back this way. Okay, from here, step over and to the side. Okay, here, back down, left hand down, and hammer fist. From here, pull in and punch. Then from here, bring hand in, block, and square punch. Step in, 1, 2, 3. Okay, same thing with this here. Punch, pull back. Step over and block to the side. Block down, hammer fist. Bring over, punch. Side block, square punch. 1, 2, and back fist, and back to yoi. Okay? So that's Naihanchi Sandan, straightforward. And now I'm going to do medium pace. Yoi, ai, ni, ai, 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 ay, 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 so. Okay? Okay, so here goes Naihanchi Sandan, faster pace, which is also the regular pace that you should practice with, okay? Right. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. All right, so we just did the kata. Now I'm going to teach you the applications for Naihanchi Sandan, okay? So just similar to my previous videos, when I teach these applications, I like to teach the combination aspect of it and not just follow the sequence, okay? Because I think it makes more sense. All right, so for the very first part of the kata, from here, you're this way, right? And they go in this, up, and then this way, okay? Very simple, right? So how do we use that in the application? So I have my student here, Daniel. So let's say if someone comes over and grabs you by the hand, okay? Someone grabs you by the hand, what you want to do is you want to go up this way, yeah? Just like the kata, up this way here, and then the kata says is sweep. So we can go sweep to either down in his calves or up right by his knee, okay? So from here, sweep, and you see how I turn my hand over this way here? And then from as I turn my hand over, I grab a hold of his hand in order to pull down, and as I pull down, this goes up this way, bam, okay? So if we grab him like this, we go, ay, 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 okay? One more time, ay, 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 ay. So the second part of the kata, after this one, okay, is this one. 1, 2, okay? When do we use 1, 2, okay? And again, Naihanchi kata, just like any other Okinawan kata, is the symmetry of it, okay? So if I show you one side, it's similar to the other side as well. So right now the focus is 1, 2. All right, have Daniel come over. How about stand on this side? So it's easier for you to see from the video. When do we use 1, 2, okay? So let's say if he comes in fighting, if he hooks me to the face, I block this way, yeah? As I block this way here, if you stay still, the kata says like that, followed by like that, okay? So it goes like this. He come 1, we go this way, bam, right to his neck, right? Either you can go vertical up to his chin, or you can go this way using your forearm, bam, right to his neck, right? So 1 or 1 over here. It doesn't matter where's the contact point? Either one of this contact point is going to hurt him, right? So where's the other one comes in? As you hit him here like this, he goes down, right? As he goes down, where's the other one? Now the kata says this one, right? So from here, one, the kata goes like this. Now let go of this hand, and then from here, underneath of his armpit, this one here, over his neck, and then from here, pull this way, and then throw him down, okay? Now, in a scenario like this, when we teach the application, we do it slow. So, both you as the practitioner appreciate the moves as well as the safety of your student as well, right? First and foremost is for his safety. So we do it slow like that, okay? In reality, most people don't know how to fall. So let's say if you hook me like this here, I go bum, and when you go this way here, boom, it's basically finishing and breaking his shoulder and his neck same time. This way, bum, this way, boom, right? So in class, we go one bum and follow this way, he'll roll, okay? But in reality, probably he wouldn't know how to roll, okay? But that's where the combination comes from. So once again, he comes, he hooks, all right, so the next part of the kata, after we do the double, is this one, right? Slap down, back fist. Very straightforward. So if opponent comes here, he's gonna punch my chest. I wanna block down this way, okay? You don't wanna block down, stand still. You wanna block down and then move to the side, okay? He's coming, move to the side, okay? So that's basically the kata, very straightforward. He's coming, back. Okay, he's coming, bam, right? Don't stand this way. Don't practice your application this way. Practice he's coming to the side slap, and then turn back fist, okay? Turning your body allows you to practice your stances. At the same time, allows you to practice your power as well, okay? Don't do like this here because this is anticipation. This is not a right way to practice, even though it's a simple move, but it's more like a turn over, okay? Good. All right, the next part of the application, back from the back fist here, followed by this one, pull, punch this way, okay? So, hey, pull, punch, and then bring this way, followed by this one, isn't it? All right? So the kata after back fist is pull, punch, pull back, followed by this way. All right, so this is how we're gonna use that application. So let's say from here, slow, from here, let's say opponent wants to punch you, right? As opponent comes in, the kata says like this, isn't it? Right? The kata says like that, okay? This, followed by this, followed by this, okay? So it goes like this. He's coming, and you want to block to the side down, punch. You see that? I block this way here, but I hook this in here, punch like that, right? Don't do like, you can do like this here as well. You can deflect this way here, bum, right? Right? But because it's a combination, so we do this, block here, hook, bum, this way, okay? Because the kata goes like this, right? From here, punch him here like this, right? Then from here, I want to go underneath, pull in, right? Because the kata says like that, pull, punch, and pull in, okay? So it goes against low, block, bum, right to his chest or under his rib cage. And from here, we want to pull in. Once you pull in, this is where you're going to lock his elbow, right? And then from here, the next part of the kata is pull this way. Pull this way. So from here, we go, bum, right? This is where you're going to take his elbow off. You see how straight, and then I pull to the side, and his elbow is gone, okay? So slow, we go one, bum, and pull, boom, okay? So we go, okay? I don't want to do a fast speed because pulling this way here, his elbow straight forward, is straight, right? If I put any pressure in here, I'm gonna accidentally break his arm, okay? So when you practice with your partner, make sure that you're cautious, okay? Even for those of you who practice on your students, be careful. Really, there's nothing to prove here that you can take him down, because it doesn't take much to break somebody's elbow, okay? All right, so I'll do it one more time. So come, boom, boom, shoom. All right, so next part of the kata, after you get to here, is like that. See, from here, hands blocked down, this one, hammer fist. Once again, very straightforward. When do you use that? So let's say, a fighting position here, right? and opponents punch you right chest area. You see how I block down? As I block down, I just go right to his face and just go straight down, right? Doesn't matter where you're gonna hit, forehead, nose, face, mouth, whatever is coming. We just go bam, right? This way here, bam, down, okay? This way, down, okay? This hammer fist. All right, that's basically a very simple part of the kata, okay? And right after that move here, the next one is same thing. He's coming in from the front, block this way here, bam, same, bam, this way here, okay, this way. So same thing, if he comes in here, punch my face, I go this way, yeah? I go this way, boom, right? This way here, I just duck, right? And duck, okay? So you see a lot of this kind of move that are a very quick execution, right? In order to get your opponent down, because you guys are here ready, you see it coming, boom, this way, just as simple as that, right? So don't practice in a kata way, don't practice in a way like this. Wait, boom. It wouldn't work like that in the street situation, okay? Practice kata is one thing, applying it realistically is something else, right? So he's coming, you go, boom, turn, yeah? You go, boom, turn, right? All right. So from here, now same thing with this one. Chop, square punch, all right? Chop, square punch. So all these three moves just have the same concept. Same concept. So he's standing over here. So for camera, so let's say hook my face this way. You see that? Chop, square punch. Chop, square punch, right? So practice sliding, Naihanchi sliding. He's coming, boom, to the side, right? He come boom, right? Don't stand this way like this. Punch, like that. No. Practice your application this way. He's coming, boom, slide in, and square punch. Okay, so one more time, looks like this. He's coming, right? He's coming, fighting stance, right? I go, this way. All right, and also you probably noticed by now in the Naihanchi kata, you always see this move in Naihanchi Shodan, Nidan, and Sandan, right? So after this one here is 1, 2, 3, okay? So same exact as any of the other katas. So how do we interpret this? 1, 2, 3. It goes like this. So basically, if opponent comes over here, right, he punches the face. See how I block here? Just to the kata 1, and then down, boom. Every time when he gives you his hand, you break his hand. Okay? Don't interpret the kata so much that you do this block here, and then you go for the face. It's kind of far, isn't it? It's easier to go with the hand with his block here. Boom. Either you break the elbow or you break his underarm. Okay? Don't think about blocking and go to his face. Yeah, it's nice to think like that. You want to, finish the fight. But think about this. As much as you go into his zone, you are also closing into him as well, that he can also hit you back with the other hand, okay? So when you put these applications into perspective, you want to make it as realistic as possible, right? Because when it's realistic, you just practice differently, right? It gives you that the sense of reality that, hey, if I want to interpret these things, I want it to work for me, right? So that you can put the enthusiasm in there as you are training your applications, all right? So for this one here, same thing as fighting position. He punches your face, block this way here, boom, break his arm or break, underarm or break his elbow. And then from here, followed by push over here, slap, bam, back. So it goes like this, here, boom, right? Again, boom, all right, so basically those are all the applications for the entire kata, right? Because I just show you the entire first half. And it's pretty much now the application is to the other second half. It's primarily changing your hand. We were focusing more on the right here, and now the kata you're doing the left. So there's no point of showing the left and the right, which is pretty much the same thing. So please practice along. If you like what you saw so far, click subscribe, like, share it with your friends, see what they think about our SHORIN RYU perspective, and compare to theirs as well. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video.